Don't make me drop into this water, you know. Don't make me drop into the water.
Keep your back straight, nice and straight.
No, me back straight, man. I just don't want to go into the water. So what to you? Rotted horse settings. Mate. I don't know how this is gonna work, you know, Star, man. I tell you. Hold on. Cause Brum bike are up on hard settings. This might go left, you know, I swear that, man. But yeah, listen, if you like what we're doing right there, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And yo, oh gosh. Okay, so my man's driving to the horse. Hello, mate. What's going on? Right. This horse looks like he's trying to, yeah, I don't know about all of this.
I'll tell you now. First, you put your left feet.
Left foot on there, yeah?
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll help you. You put your left feet,
Yeah?
hold the saddle,
Yeah?
and do jump sit, just sit. Take a sit, that's it.
Oh. We're outside again. It's hard settings I run. So what they're saying here is man's supposed to pull this forward, pause, in terms of slowing it down. Why so? I feel like Red Dead Redemption setting. Don't pull it yet. Just let.
Don't pull her. If you pull her, she'll stop. So she can get close to us.
Me I ride horse. So imagine this is like one horse, and my bike has got about 140 of these. But I'm telling you, I will go for 140 of these.
Yeah, and not 1 horsepower.
No, yeah, my bike's got about 140 brake horsepower. This is 1 horsepower.
Yeah, you ride 140 horsepower, but not 1 horse.
Yeah, I feel like this is more scary. 1 horse is scarier.
Light.
Mad.
This is the real power.
Yeah, this is the real thing.
Yeah.
I don't feel like I'm in control, man.
Relax.
Yeah, no, I'm good, man. I'm good. First time.
Yeah, you're still good. Your bike horsepower must help you.
Yeah. No, it's 2 different things, man. But yeah, man, we're outside. Yeah, man, we're outside. Come on, Gaffer, tell us that we're outside. You know, understand me, you know? Mate. Hey, Gaffer, you ever play that game, Red Dead Redemption? Him can't hear me. Boss, you play computer games?
No.
No?
I'm outdoor man.
Oh.
Sorry. I'm rubbish with technology.
Oh.
I don't even watch news.
Rotted. Yeah, don't watch the news, man. Don't watch the news. The news is crazy.
Bastard.
Yeah.
They broke my psychology.
Yeah. Yeah, that family. The news will mad you.
When I go home, I sit outside.
Yeah.
Smoke
No,
outside.
that's the best way, man.
Yeah. When
Best.
I come home from work, I work all day with horses.
Yeah.
Shuffle, you know.
Yeah.
Touching the woods, sands, doing like farmer jobs.
Yeah.
Normal jobs.
I hear you.
Yeah. I go home, open TVs. I telephone, not for me.
Yeah, I hear
If
you.
I don't have this business, I'll not even use WhatsApp.
Yeah.
But I always was, even when I was young, I was like that.
Yeah. No, that's good, man.
Till now, I have no Instagram, no Facebook, nothing.
Serious.
I swear
That's
to
good. No, that's good.
God. Yeah, I only have WhatsApp for the business.
Yeah, that's
for
good.
Reservation, you know.
That's good.
People stupid.
Mm-hmm.
They put their towels in the social media
Yeah.
on what they're eating. It's ridiculous. I don't want to see what you're eating. You know that?
But people want to see it, though.
Yeah, but like, why?
I don't know.
Listen, why? What's
Yeah, but people want to see it, innit? So they're just giving them what they want to see.
Yeah, but like, if everyone hold on their life and respect each other,
Yeah.
I don't know, like maybe I am a bit backward. But
No, you're not backwards, man. You're forward.
I
What's
a
up?
bit wrong. I respect that people do, but
Nah, you're forward. Nah, you're forward, man, trust me. We backwards.
no. I thought like for general.
Yeah. So, Gaffer, what can you tell me about Marmaris?
Me?
Yeah,
Marmaris.
yeah,
Used to be better before,
yeah.
years ago. Every year, getting changed.
Better or worse?
Worst.
Yeah.
Of course, nothing was better
Yeah. What about this? How long you been doing this for?
all my life.
Yeah?
Yeah, since I was a kid.
You enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoy it. Every day, new people, different people.
Yeah.
That's the good things about it. And
Mhm.
I love the animals.
Yeah.
You know.
You got any other animals?
We have dogs.
Dogs?
Yeah. We have dogs.
Do they bite? Are they violent?
No.
You know what? These horses are very
Calm.
calm. Yeah.
Why? Because how you teach, you put it back.
Yeah.
How you train.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna get on the bike, on the bike, on the horse, and he's gonna throw me over there.
No. Don't hold the negative.
Yeah.
Positive. Be happy.
I hear it.
Isn't it?
You're trying to make me go viral.
No.
Mad.
Don't say go viral. Stay positive. Sometimes we have to lie to ourselves as well. Little
Nah,
bit.
100%.
You know, so we can be happy, more happy.
Yes.
You put too much things in the head.
100%. Yeah, that's why you don't watch the news. No news.
Yeah, news. The news people who's in the world, they're more happy than me and you.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
You know that.
Yes.
For example,
Go on.
there is fight, there is war.
Yeah.
Causing the war with the petrol money goes up. Right?
Yeah.
For example, now in Iran, the diesel 2.5 lira. In my country, 85 lira.
Yeah.
Who's in the war here? Them or me?
Yeah. Listen,
They're cheaper.
back home in Britain, diesel is £1.90
Yeah.
per litre.
Yeah, but Iran, Ukraine, they are in the war. The diesel there cheaper than UK.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So who's in the war?
Yeah, it's crazy.
You know that.
Crazy.
But of course we are against the war.
Yeah.
The war is not good.
No good.
But the greediness.
Mhm.
People greedy, always want more.
Oh gosh. The horse I do the first mad.
Aptalım. Aras amına koyayım telefonu bırak ya. Orada he?
Lord fire.
Yes.
Yo. Don't make me drop into this water, you know. Don't make me drop into the water. Mister.
Keep your back straight, nice and straight.
No, me back straight, man. I just don't want to go into the water. I want to.
If you try to eat grass, pull drains up, darling.
If she tries to eat the grass, just pull back on the lever.
Drains, very whole drains. If she put the head down to eat, pull her up.
Okay.
Yeah. The horse.
Yeah.
Move it. You wanna buy horse now?
No, sir. I'll take a motorcycle. I'm good.
Nice and peaceful, isn't it, the horse?
Yeah. Very peaceful, man. I need to wee, you know. I want to wee.
You want me to get you off and you see that?
Yeah. You can do that.
You like little boy man.
Yes,
Come.
definitely.
Hold my shoulder.
Yeah.
Take other feet out.
Yeah.
Jump up. Okay. If the same horse always goes out, it's not good.
Oh gosh. Yeah. But you know what? Yeah.
Have you put other feet on?
I'm trying to. Yeah.
On, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, pull this up. Atın salaklığına bak, kafamı etti la. You better now.
Yeah, but I'm good now, man. Our daily contents alone. There's no other motor vlogger here. that has shown you flipping horses, you know, like that. So I beg on us, please don't forget, like up the thing, subscribe. Get me? This is a weird experience though. It's nice. Let's see if we can put some views up.
Look at the water, beautiful, isn't it? Kuştan korkar mı bir hayvan ya?
Oh gosh. Hey, I don't want to get wet up in our guys. Yes, me straight. Me straight. Hey. Da, 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 da. Hey boss,
Yes,
can you
run with the horse.
yeah. No, not me. I don't want to do that, but I'm saying can
Of course,
yeah.
more than 22 years I can do.
Yeah, so you can race these horses. So these horses here can race. Serious? How fast roughly? 20 mile an hour?
No more than this.
Serious?
45, 50
About 45, 50? Miles or kilometer?
kilometers.
Right.
But the race horse, they go up to 70, 75.
Kilometer?
Yes.
Okay.
English, Arab breeding horses.
Yeah, yeah,
Race horses.
yeah, yeah.
This one's shepherds.
Okay.
Depends on the breed.
Okay. What breed is this?
This one's Asian horses.
Asian horses.
Strong. This horse is strong.
Yeah, yeah, I'm strong.
They're not fast, but they're
Strong.
strong.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And how old are these?
This one, 6-year-old. Your luck.
In 6-year human.
No, not different.
Yeah.
They live up to 30 years.
Serious?
Yeah. But it's when they are 30 years old,
Yeah, yeah. That means when they're 30, they can't do this, innit?
they can, but no need.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They always change them.
Mhm.
Keeps them young.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This job, it's not heavy job for them.
Mhm.
All they do.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Small thing around the people.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But in their nature, in the old days, as you know, they used to use them for heavy works.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The horses can do it, but now we have things, so no need.
Mhm.
Now we have tractors,
Yeah, yeah.
we have cars, you know, vans.
This is mud. So this is what 1 horsepower looks like.
No, you haven't seen it yet.
Huh?
You haven't seen it yet.
No, this is 1 horsepower, man.
I know, but now this is not even power, the wolf not power.
Yeah.
When the horse got full on.
Yeah, yeah, we're not doing that though, right?
No, no.
Oh, yeah, yeah, that's good.
Even if you give me money, I'll not do that.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine. There will be no money to do that.
Your safety more important.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm not a madman.
My job here, you know how you come to something safe.
Yes. Oh, my battery power is on 13%.
Come on, gelmeden gelmeyeceğim diyor.
Listen, family, my battery's on 13%, so I'm going to done this video right here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Listen, we out.
Get your tongue when we're talking